What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to draw Goku in his new outfit from the new movie of Dragon Ball Super. All the materials I'm using are given in the description box. And this is gonna be my first tutorial ever, so please like and share. So without any further review, let's get into the drawing. We'll start by drawing the shape of his face with 5 lines. Now we'll draw his eyes. First of all, I'm gonna draw his left eyebrow with 2 lines. 1, 2, and 3, and I'm going to do the same process for the right eye. I'm going to draw his eyes with 2 cross lines and do the same thing for the left eye. Then I'll add the nose just below the left eye and the mouth just below the nose. Now I'll draw his eyeballs. Then we can give his cheek marks. Then I'm gonna draw his ear in the same proportion of his eyes. You can use a scale to give the right proportions. And then we'll add his 4 spikes one by one. Now I'm going to draw his neck and his collar to draw his hair. Then we are going to add his hair spikes. First of all, I'm going to draw his 3 spikes on the left, and then I'll add 1 spike on the right. And then we can complete the structure of his hair. Then I'm going to add some random lines, and this is how you can draw the hair perfectly. Now we can finish up his collar. we can draw the rough sketch of his coat. Now we'll add his biceps. You can draw the SCP symbol. I'm using 2 lines to keep the correct proportions. Once that's done, you can ink the entire drawing and then color it. We're going to color the entire drawing with desert markers, and the color code will be on the top left of the screen. If you like this video and think that this video was helpful, do subscribe and like my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.